Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in now. First, confirm your account and current point balance so you know what you can spend. Once done, locate redeem or add funds in the store, enter a 25-character code, or choose a payment method. Make sure your account's region matches the code's region so funds appear. If you need to convert legacy points, follow the convert prompt. Otherwise, your balance is ready. Now move to the store and pick the item you want to buy. You found the item, click it and review the price type, points or currency. Next, choose payment options and pick your Microsoft balance to automatically apply points. If the balance is partial, the system prompts a secondary payment like card or PayPal. Make sure your store region matches the item's availability to avoid errors. If taxes or currency differences appear, the checkout page explains the split. Confirm the purchase and wait for the payment success screen before leaving the store. Once the purchase completes, go to My Library or Downloads and start the install. You may need to resume or select the device. Check your account order history to confirm the transaction and see the updated balance. If content doesn't appear, sign out and back in, verify the region and payment method, or re-enter the code exactly. As a troubleshooting tip, if a code fails, double-check for similar-looking characters and try on account. Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.